Hey everyone, this is Sarthar
And this is Priya.
from Modern School Koradio, Nagpur, and today our topic is resource management.
So in India, most of the population is engaged with farming. But due to lack of resources, lack of political will, poverty and poor plans, most of the villages in India are left without electricity. So we have an alternative source which is solar panels. But it consumes land resource and the land is fixed and we cannot give more land for the installment of solar panels. So we have an idea which is to install them on hot water. Now how? So we will use wood which is a cheap resource and that is easily available in market. Now we will also add servo motor and LDR to the solar panel which will help it to tilt according to the rays of the sun, and the electricity generated by it will be stored in a storage battery. Now as you can see in the two images, this image shows how much area is consumed by the solar panels. Whereas when we install them on this type of lakes, this area will be free and can be used for more agriculture purposes. Now the materials required will be solar panels, wood, servo motor, LDR module, battery, wires and Arduino Uno for programming.
So now next thing is smart irrigation. So as we all know that water is important for irrigation, but sometimes because of farmers' carelessness, this water is wasted. And because of this overflow of water, because they often forget to switch off that system. So because of the overflow of water, crops are even spoiled. So for preventing these all things, we are installing one different thing, which is means we are installing one sensor in that farm, which is soil moisture sensor. So soil moisture sensor will detect the moisture content in that soil, and then it will accordingly turn on and off these all things, like this all system. Also we will add LCD display and LEDs which will indicate the water level and when it is on and when it is off, that all things. So now this thing is soil moisture sensor, which is pierced into the soil for recognizing the moisture content in that soil, and this is that circuit where this sensor is put, and this is that field. How will that field be looking? So here different soil moisture sensors are fitted for detecting the moisture content in that, and this will help in saving the water, which can be used for other things. Also it will help in preventing the spoilage of these all crops. So here material required for these all things, this project is soil moisture sensor, then LCD display, and then LEDs which are red, yellow and green. Accordingly plant them according to the levels of water, and then battery will be recharged from the battery will be recharged from solar panels only, the above, from the project which we have discussed earlier. Then wires and Arduino Uno will also be used.
Now here we come to future modification. So we will add GPS tracker to our whole project, which will show all the details in the farmer's phone, so that person can be updated with all the work. Now we come to the end of the project, and I hope you